This video is brought to you by Moo. Make sure to hit the link pinned in the top of comments to get up to 10 free stocks for just signing up and depositing $1. You will also get access to options, going short, and free level 2 order book. Let's get right into the video. Yo, what is going on, guys? Lottery Stocks here. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the channel if you're new. Today, AMC is up 7% and GameStop is up about 5%. And I think things are looking better than usual. We're going to go over the numbers, we're going to go over the TA, and we're also going to go over a couple things that we found pretty interesting on Twitter about news about the company. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, please consider smashing that like button. Let's get right into it. So the first thing we're going to go over is BlackRock. If you don't know BlackRock, we as retail investors assume they lend out shares to short sellers, as they do hold a large amount in AMC along with Vanguard. Now, BlackRock just chalked up the record for the largest amount of money lost by a single firm over a 6-month period. In the first half of this year, it lost $1.7 trillion of clients' money. That's an interesting thing to pay attention to, as we do know hedge funds are closing down, crypto exchanges are closing down, and the market is actually starting to rally, which we will talk about in 1 second. The next thing is Adam Aron tweeting this, and you can find it just typing this in on Google and you'll find the news articles. Small steps forward are still steps forward. AMC Entertainment announced today that we have taken another positive step along our recovery glide path. We were able to repay and retire 72.5 of long-term debt for only $50 million. We got a meaningful 31% discount. So AMC cleared $72.5 million in debt by only paying $50 million to clear that debt. So they got a 31% discount. This is interesting to see. This shows that they are actually slowly starting to clear some debt on AMC. And if you look through the actual articles, Adam Aron says that he intends to make something happen for shareholders in the future by doing things like this until debt is gone, right? After that, after debt is gone, he plans on doing something for shareholders. So overall, small steps forward are still steps forward, as he said in this. This is interesting because the high on the AMC daily chart, you're going to find that it reached about 72.50, and it's interesting how they got 72.50 long-term debt cleared. Like, everyone's going to correlate this and come up with these crazy theories. Just keep that in the back of your mind, that that is the all-time high for the stock, and that is just how much debt we cleared today, which is pretty interesting on a 7% day. Now, real quick, I wanted to go over the numbers. 200,000 shares available to borrow on GameStop, as reported by Stock Tracker. 48.55% free float DRS, which that hasn't really changed, but the calls to puts in the money are looking nasty as well for AMC. AMC usually has shares available to borrow reported for Stock Tracker, but right now 0. This shows me that they are probably trying to suppress the price as much as they can. Also, 68,000 calls compared to 1,000 puts in the money. That is nothing. So right now, the gamma is rolling for AMC and GameStop. I'm surprised we haven't seen a retracement. We broke over 15 the other day, and then we got rejected, retraced back down into the 16s, and we cracked through it again today. AMC, along with GameStop, is hugging this trend line, looking for a rip. Now, all I did was copy this bars pattern. I just wanted to show you guys how similar it looked to back here, especially if we were to pop over here on, let's say, the 4-hour time frame. This is pretty interesting because what we were tracking was this, and we were looking for that retracement. But I guess this, the little retracement we saw the other day could have just been it, where we flag sideways, and this could potentially be that next leg up, that next rip, sometime before July 26th, July 27th is what I'm looking for. So if we make all-time highs pretty soon, I won't be surprised on AMC. That doesn't mean I'm saying load up on calls, do this and that. Remember, none of this is financial advice, but this is looking pretty beautiful, especially in the short term, okay? I really want to break over 1850, but ultimately I want to break over $20 and 22.50. Those are the two numbers that I'm looking at, 20 and 22.50, to break over these overall trend lines that AMC has been in a downtrend with for quite a while. And given the pace that the market is trending in, I think we could crack that probably tomorrow or Friday. As well as GameStop. If you take a look at GameStop on the daily chart, this thing's looking beautiful. It cracked one of the major trend lines that I think we had to crack. And the next one, if we move at the same speed we're moving at, is about $180. Really looking for a break over 220 and 260 for anything significant on GameStop, but this thing has been moving lately, and I'm really happy to see it fighting 160. I think GameStop's 160 is AMC's 17, so if that makes sense, I think that's going to be interesting. Also, the split for GameStop is going to happen after market close on Friday, so you're going to see this thing around 40 bucks maybe now, the way it's trading. And you're also going to have 4x these shares that you have had. Now, real quick, to take a look at the S&P 500, because we do need this thing to continue rallying in order to see anything happen. We did grab puts today on the channel because I thought it was up. I thought it was up a little bit too much. We're currently down 25% in that position, but those expire tomorrow in the trading challenge. If you guys want to join the trading challenge, make sure to hit that link down below to get up to 10 free stocks and join it. But it's a 100 to 1K challenge. The reason I saw a little bit of weakness in this is because yesterday we grabbed calls because I liked the break over this. We played that, got out of those. That's fine. Now, the break over this is fine. If we retrace and base off of it, which we could have been doing, that is also okay. But I kind of wanted to take a look at another scenario that we had. You can kind of check out the SPY frequently. It has these double top patterns, pretty often double top, sort of a double top back here, and usually when it comes up and even breaks above, such as over here, it does get rejected in the meantime. And just personally, I think that with the FOMC meeting coming up the 25th and 26th of July, this thing still has more room for downside, probably to about 350 before actually getting a real rally. So that was just my opinion. Remember, not financial advice, but hopefully the S&P does continue to rally over the next few days. And that'll probably just blow away our trading challenge, but we only risked $20, so it is what it is. But that is what I got for you for this video, guys. I appreciate you all tuning in. Let's get ready for AMC and GameStop to fucking squeeze. This Gamma's going to get the ball rolling. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Make sure to check all the links down below. I love you all. Lottery Stocks out.